So guess who did a nice beat today? I'm just I don't know. I'm tired. Um so yeah, I just did this look, kind of fall inspired, fall but bold, colorful, fall inspired look, completely out the box of me. So we are going to do the step by step today. Get excited because I'm excited, all right? So hold tight and let's get into this tutorial. So yeah, so while you're here and while she's getting her life in order, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because she needs some new friends. So yeah, so let's go ahead and hop right into it. I'm gonna go in and prep the eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape, which is the YouTube craze product, which I actually happen to like. And I got it in a medium tan sand. I know this is bright, but I want to do a very, very bright eye. So we're going to go with her today. Take some product. Use our M432 brush for Morphe. Put this all over the eye. Take this M173 brush by Morphe and just kind of blend it down. I'm gonna smoke out the eye with this orange color from the Morphe 35M palette in this nice little orange here. I'm going to use this yellow from Juvia'S Place, the Zulu palette. I'm going to use this pretty yellow. I have no idea what the name of it is. Pretty yellow. And then we're going to brighten up the orange. And back into my Morphe palette using Red Carpet to deepen the color. Go back in and I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to go back in using the same concealer, the Shape Tape by Tarte. All right, so next we're going to use this deep plum purple called Transformer. Oh, this color. Okay, so we're back at it. Okay, so this is my camera. My blah, 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 blah. So sorry, my camera cut off unexpected, but this is what I have so far for the eye. Not too bad. It's something completely different. I'm gonna try to spruce it up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and finish out the other. Okay, so the day that I can master putting on a wing eyeliner, I'm doing a massive giveaway because people can put on wing eyeliners effortlessly. Effortlessly. Whatever. So, did the wings, put some mascara because I want to put some falsies on. I kind of like how it came out. The size, the faux pas with the wing eyeliner, but I have to keep practicing, obviously. So I am going to just use some, reuse some of one of my favorite pairs. Hopefully it goes on, but it's the faux mink 3D multi-layer lashes. I've used these before. I absolutely love them by Response Soul in number 10. I love these. Oh, so let me go pop these babies on and like for real, we're gonna work on the face off again. So I'm going in. I'm baking my face to kind of soak up some of this excess oil. I just want to add some of my natural shadows back into my face. So I'm just gonna use some eyeshadow since I don't have a contour palette, and just kind of put the your natural shadows back. So we're gonna go. Okay, so that's done. Yay! I think I like how it's coming. I like how it kind of sets it down because Too Faced to me is just too dewy. So I really like how the powder, kind of calmed it down to give me like a natural look. I love it. I love it. Okay. All right, so I added a little bit of bottom lashes. I just used some cheap beauty supply store individual lashes, the short individual lashes. Yeah, I'm black. So I am burned out. So let's finish out this look. I'm gonna top that with the Anastasia blush kit. Gonna use this color in Vegas. Oh, that's really picking up. Mm-hmm. Warm this right on up. All right, I'm gonna go use this tourmaline color, which is like a champagne, like a rose pink color. I'm ended up using Stila um, liquid matte lipstick in Note. And that concludes our look. So I'm actually pretty pleased with how it came out. It was a couple of things that I wish I would have remembered to do, but I'll just save it for another tutorial. I didn't get to line my lips, but it's fine. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm actually pretty pleased. I'm happy with it. I've never done something this bold, so this is completely new to me, but I'm actually kind of proud of myself that I kind of stepped out the box. So yeah, so we got through all of the issues that I was having. She was having some technical difficulties back here, but she got it together. But I'm really happy. Let me know what you think. Did you like the look? Do you think it's too dramatic? What would you have done differently? Like, just talk to me. If you like more of these looks, please let me know. If you want me to do more something subtle, let me know. Talk to me. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the button in the corner. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram. Trying to get some new friends, y'all. Follow me on Instagram on Beat on the Beat, as well as Facebook, Be on the Beat Artistry. I will leave all the links down below. That's it for me. I'm tapped out. So until next time, my beautiful people, I'm out of here.